An ion with mass number 23 has one negative charge. It contains 10% more neutrons than electrons. Write its symbol. Solution. Step 1. Let the number of electrons equals to E. Neutrons N equals to E plus 0.1 E equals to 1.1 E. Step 2. Mass number relationship. A equals to Z plus N. Since it's negatively charged, E equals to Z plus N. N equals to 1.1 into Z plus 1. A equals to Z plus N equals to Z plus 1.1 multiplied with Z plus 1. The final answer is 2.1 Z plus 1.11. Let's solve for Z. 23 equals to 2.1 Z plus 1.1. 2.1 Z equals to 2.19. Z similarly is 10.43, similarly 10. Find the neutrons and electrons. Z equals to 10. Electrons E equals to Z plus 1 equals to 11. Neutrons N equals to 1.1 into 11 equals to 12.1. Similarly 12. Write the ion symbol. Neon is the ion.